Welcome to the video on how to add a measure to the 3D web viewer. First, we verify that we have a measure in our project. Select the Future Design tab. Click on the Measures button. In this project, we already have a measure called Tower. Select it and unfold the building sections. Note that it contains 4 buildings. Select the flat. Notice that it shows a selection area in the 3D visualization. This confirms that we have a measure with a spatial component that we can add to the 3D web viewer. Next, we will have to add the measure to an action menu. Select Actions in the ribbon bar. Select the Add button to add a new action menu. The added action menu should be automatically selected. In the Action Menu Detail panel, select the tab Actions. Unfold the Measure section and select the measure we have just inspected. The measure is now available as an action. Select the General tab. For every stakeholder which should have access to this action menu, make sure it is selected in the table below. Now we are ready to check if the measure is added to the 3D web viewer. To open the 3D web viewer, we can select either the 3D web link on the top right of the screen or hover over Web Interface and select Show 3D Map Cesium. Both actions will open the 3D web viewer in the browser. Once the 3D web viewer is initialized, click on the action menu with the house icon, which is the action menu we have just created. Selecting it will automatically select the measure, moving the camera to its location. You have now successfully added a measure to the 3D web viewer. To activate the measure, click on the Apply button in the bottom right corner of the action menu. After the calculations are complete, the building should be visible on the 3D web viewer with its effect on heat stress. Hover over the Overlay PE temperature and select the shade result type. Notice that the building has created more shade.